Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.8, Problem 22. This is Section 2.8, Problem number 22. It says find the difference of 7/9 and 1/6. So difference means you're going to subtract. So it's 7/9 minus 1/6. Now, to do the problem, I have to find a denominator that is going to be the same for both fractions. So when your denominators are different, start with this. My larger denominator is 9. Will the other denominator of 6 divide into 9 evenly? No, it won't. So then try the larger denominator doubled. If you double 9, you get 18. Will 6 divide into 18 evenly? Yes, it will. So 18 is the lowest common denominator. And now what you want to do is find numerators that will make the fractions equivalent but keep that denominator of 18. So start with the upper fraction, 7/9. Look at the denominators. I have 9, it turned into an 18. Well, it must have been times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. And then you multiply that same value of 2 times the numerator. 7 times 2 is 14. So 14/18 is equivalent to 7/9, but it has that common denominator that I want to use. Do the same process with the 1/6. Look at the denominator. 6 times some value made it change into an 18. It must have been times 3. So the numerator gets multiplied times that same value, times 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. So now I have a common denominator, and I can just subtract the numerator. So the common denominator stays in my answer. For the numerators, I have 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3 is 11. So I get an answer of 11/18. Check to see if you can reduce it. And if you check, you cannot reduce 11/18. There are no numbers that divide into both 11 and into 18 evenly. So you're done. The answer is 11/18.